Okay, so a demonstration of this little twister. It's all charged up. I'm going to try and do it one-handed, but see if I can. Whoops! Okay, that middle button seems to change the position of it. Let's see what happens. Okay, the left button there seems to change something, and I assume this is, whoop, it's gone. Whoops. Whoops. Whoops, sorry. That's the cat. Let's get it on the grass. Let's see what happens. Oh, well, that's fantastic. I'm keeping it. Oops. Let's just see. Oops, wrong way. Okay, well, I think you can see that that is working absolutely fine. Oh.